Welcome to Walk-in Scheduler in Infinite Campus. The Walk-in Scheduler allows staff to add, modify, and restore a student's schedule. All changes made in the Walk-in Scheduler are in real time. Modifications to student schedules will affect data such as the teacher's roster, the gradebook, and attendance data. For example, deleting a course rather than end-dating the course will erase current gradebook data, posted grades, and attendance data. Please make sure you have been properly trained and understand how to use Walk-in Scheduler before attempting to modify a student's schedule. Now let's take a look in Campus to learn how to use the Walk-in Scheduler.
We're going to start in Campus Tools by going to Student Information, General. We're now in the Search tab. We have Student here. Let's search for the student by entering the student's name. Select Go. This is the student I want to work with. Here's the student's name in the banner. I'm going to double check this is the right grade level. I'm going to go to the Schedule tab. Here you can see the student's schedule. The schedule can be viewed in different formats. We have a table view. You can look at all terms like we're seeing now. Or let's say you just want to see quarter 3. You can select quarter 3. In your view would be quarter 3. Or you can choose group by day, group by course as a list view. Here's an example of group by day. A list view. If you want to print the schedule, select the print icon. Whatever view you have selected is how the schedule will print. So if I wanted a schedule by all terms, I would go back to all terms, select print, and then I have the traditional view of the schedule. This icon will allow you to display active and drop courses. If you want both of those listed, and if you click the icon, you get the active courses only. If you click the icon, you get active and drop courses. Here is the Walk-in Scheduler icon. This icon is actually a toggle. When you click the icon, it changes to the View Schedule, which takes you into Walk-in Scheduler, and we're going to talk about what we're looking at in just a second. So if I click back, I'm looking at the schedule in the traditional view. Notice at the top, the columns have term quarter 1, term quarter 2, and etc. You can also see the dates of the terms are listed below each of the terms. Here we have the name of the teacher, the team, the room number, and if I click on this icon, let's go down to Art, I'm going to see the grades in the view that the parent sees on the family portal. Let's go back to Schedule. On the left-hand side, you'll see an abbreviation of each of the courses. We have Math, Music, and PE. And if I scroll down, I can see the bell schedule. These are not the physical times that the students rotate. The bell schedule in elementary is set up for state reporting only. Now let's go back to the Walk-in Scheduler view. Here we have several buttons that we're going to talk about. For Walk-in Scheduler, after school starts, the load and unload buttons will never be used. If you unload a student's schedule after school starts, student data such as grades, attendance will be deleted. So do not use these buttons unless you are instructed by a DQI specialist or manager. We will discuss the End and Restore button later on in this training. Let's take a look at the Search button. The Search button is a toggle button just like the Walk-in Scheduler and View Schedule button. If I select on Search, I want you to look to the right and watch the view change. The view changed to section search. If I select student requests, the button takes me back to course requests. This concludes part 1 of Walk-in Scheduler for elementary schools.